you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Glossybox for February. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so February's box just arrived. Glossybox does send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is this month's. I really like the box. It's nice and just like classic looking. It's just glossy, timeless treats in the black and white. Super, super cute. And I always tell you guys, these boxes are constructed so well that I always save them. I never throw them away. You can always use them for something. So let's get inside and see what's going to be in here. Oh, and I do want to show you guys, they did send me a skincare box. This box, unfortunately, is no longer available. By the time it got here, they had a little bit of shipping delays. This was supposed to be to me, I think, like in November or December. So it just arrived, and since it's not available anymore, they told me just to keep it and use the products, but I want to show you guys so you can see their skincare line. I always tell you they have their own skincare line, and everything that I've used is absolutely amazing. So everything in here is just their skincare. So if you want to see more about their skincare line and what they have to offer, when I'm done showing you this, I'll show you what's inside of this one. So stay tuned. So when we open up the February box, you have, of course, your nice little ribbon, and you have your brochure with this gorgeous woman right there. Inside here, we'll go over all of the products and gives you the pricing for them inside. When you remove your ribbon, this is what will be inside. There's a sneak peek to inside of the box. It says, beauty is being the best possible version of yourself inside and out, by Audrey Hepburn. That's a nice little saying right there. Definitely. So let's start off with the first item right on top. It says Vita, and it says Fabulous Self Tanning Gradual Lotion. So any tanning products, I always say for you guys, I don't personally use those. So I will set this aside for one of you guys, but it's a 50 ml. This right here is valued at $5. The full size is a 200 ml worth $20. Who says you can only be tanned and glowing in the summer? This self-tanning lotion is the perfect solution to get that summer glow in the winter. Stay hydrated and build a gradual, natural-looking tan with this gentle formula made from hyaluronic acid and extra moisture. And it can be found at uslookfantastic.com. This one right here says product may vary according to your beauty profile. So you might have, I guess, got this tanning product, or you could have got a different product, but that's what I received. So that will go for one of you guys. Next we have is a product by Cab Cosmetics. It's a cream lipstick. One box, I'm not sure if it was a box or a calendar, or it could have been a limited edition box. I'm not sure, but we got a Cab Cosmetics lip oil, and that has been my favorite lip oil so far, and I'm using that thing like daily, and it's a big bottle too. So here's this nice gray, sleek little packaging. This right here is valued for $18, and it's the full size product, and that is what the color looks like down inside. Like a nice little pinkish color. Again, this is a full size. It's the Sweetheart lipstick. Finish your makeup by adding some lovely, subtle color to your lips. This creamy formula and long-lasting pigment will keep your lips pretty and hydrated all day or all night. You won't have to worry about wiping lipstick off your teeth. That's good. That's annoying. Like, you think you're all cute and you got your lipstick on, you think you're all good on point, and then you smile and it's like, whoa. Clean that shit up. So you won't have to worry about it with that one. So that's neat. So now we have, it looks like there's two. Okay, so we have a shampoo and a conditioner. Yay, we got both. I like when they give you both to try, not just like one or the other. So this one we have both. It's the Deluxe Mini. The set is $4.70. The full size, which is 300 ml, is $47 for the set. So both of these are $44.70, or the full size set is $47. And you can find it at uslookfantastic.com. One of these we got in one of these boxes my man actually really liked and wanted me to buy him the full size product. And I don't think it was this brand, but it looks similar. And he actually loves it. And it's like $25 each bottle. So about that price. And I'm like, you want to spend $25 each bottle? He said he liked it. I'm like, okay, no problem. I'll buy it for you. But here's this. They are 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce each. So for me, I could probably use that one time. I use a lot of conditioner. I mainly use more conditioner than shampoo, but here's that. And again, it's valued for $4.70. And I like that you got both, not just one or the other. Oh, now we have is a nail polish by NCLA. And this is Back to Black. It's black. It is literally black. It looks like you would have got one of two colors, either black or fresh linen. So black or white. It just depends. It says it's a full-size product. It's valued for $16. It says, did you get the crisp, clean white or bold classic black? I got the black. The formula that applies like a dream. Your nails deserve to look fresh and pretty. Again, that's valued for $16. Full-size product, and you can find it at nclabeauty.com. So it's either black or white. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so now we have is a nourishing cream. Okay, good, because I've received one like this that was an eye cream, and this is not an eye cream, so I'm glad I see a different product from the same brand. So this is from Verso Skincare. It's the Deluxe Mini. This is valued for $27 for this size right here. The full size is a 50 ml, and that's worth $90. And this says that it's a 15 mil. So 15 mil is $27. Full size is $50 for $90. And you can find it at uslookfantastic.com. Get long-lasting hydration and well-balanced skin with this intensive cream. This cream will improve your skin's natural protection, making it look soft, subtle, and smooth. So again, I'm really excited that it's not another eye cream because it looked exactly like this. So my first thought was, oh, we got the same product, but we didn't. We have the nourishing cream. So I'm excited to use that. It says, pro tip, after cleansing and drying, gently massage cream into face and neck morning and night. All right, so it looks like we have one more product in here, and this is by Radial. I don't know how to say that, but you know. If you know, then you know. It says it's an extra treat. It's a dragon's blood eye mask. It can be found at uslookfantastic.com. Perfect date night prep. Wear these while you blow dry your hair or do your brows. Then peel them off for perfectly hydrated under eyes primed for makeup. Gently hydrate your under eyes and rejuvenate your appearance with this unique dragon's blood complex. This mask will prolong moisture retention and reduces puffiness and dark circles for a more awakened look. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this January box. You have an eye mask. You have a shampoo and conditioner set. You have a black or a white nail polish. You have a self-tanning product, or it could have been different based on your profile. We have a nourishing cream and a full-size lipstick. So that is everything for the February box. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about the products that they used in this month's box. If you wanted to see their skincare, let's get into this. It's a really nice box. I really wish it was still available, but again, with shipping delays, I just got it and it's not available any longer. But it did come in this really nice box. Again, they're decorative, nicely made boxes that we can use for anything. And then when you open this one up, there wasn't a card or anything, but it does have their signature ribbon. And here is 5 different products from their skincare line. Okay, so I do see 2 of them in here that I'm currently using and I really, really like. So I'm going to show you those first. So the first one is a 3-in-1 moisturizer. It plumps, primes, and protects. This one, what I do in the morning, like before I start straightening my hair, I put this on a light layer over my entire face and let it dry while I'm doing my hair, and then I put my makeup on. Since this is a primer as well, that's what I mainly use. It says our lightweight 3-in-1 moisture nourishes your skin and protects it for flawless makeup application every day. So what it looks like inside, and all their boxes are so cute. It has like the same print on the inside of like their box. So here is the actual product. And again, it actually has like a slight, like very fresh scent to it. So when I put this on my face in the morning, it just makes me feel, I don't know, it just gives me like a different fresh feeling of putting this on, because it has like that little slight scent and it feels great on my face. So I really love using this in the morning. Then I have this hydrating mist. This one tones, primes, and refreshes. Sometimes throughout the day, I just want a little spritz, or if I'm not wearing makeup that day, I'll just spritz my face just to make it feel nice and just like moisturized. So here's the packaging for this one, and it says our multi-purpose lightweight hydrating mist tones, primes, and refreshes skin throughout the day. And here you go. And it's just a little spray top, and this is what it looks like. So fine, and just this nice light mist. It just feels amazing. So I really enjoy this. So this is a night serum. It says deeply nourishes and brightens overnight. I'm not quite sure if I've used this one in the past, but everything that I've used thus far, I've really enjoyed from Glossybox. So any of their skincare you can check out, and they do have little sets that are already ready on their site of like, you know, so many different parts of their skincare line. So you can check out individual items, or you can check out the different sets that they already have available. So here is the night serum. Now we have is an eye boost cream. So an eye cream. And this one says reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Fragrance free. It's a fast absorbing, lightweight formula that reduces the appearance of dark circles and depuffs your under eye. And there's that. That is a really good size for an eye cream as well. So I can't wait to try that out, especially with the night serum at night. And now we have is a gentle foaming cleanser. That sounds amazing. It says it soothes and hydrates. Why it works. Cactus stem extracts helps to soothe and moisture skin. There's a leaf extract that leaves your complexion feeling hydrated. A kangaroo paw flower extract to keep skin subtle and fresh. Fragrance free, our gentle foaming cleanser removes dirt and impurities without stripping away moisture. Says how to use morning and night. Lather 2 pumps of foam between your hands. Gently massage onto dry or damp skin using circular motions for 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat skin dry with a towel. So you can use this on wet or dry skin. And there is the foaming cleanser. I can't wait to try that. That's so cool. I get to try out some more of their skincare line. Again, everything that I have used is so far amazing, but their little primer, the mist feels amazing on your face, but this 3-in-1 moisturizer, I absolutely love. So again, I wanted to show you, I know this particular box is not available, but their skincare, all of these products are still available on their site with the other little kits that they have to offer as well. If you want to check it out, definitely you can follow the link, click the little tab on the left and go to their skincare, and you can see everything that they have to offer. So if you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, again, they are linked down below. And if you follow that link, you can get your very first box for $16 by following my link. And if you do month by month, it's $21 per box. If you go all the way down to a 12-month subscription, it brings it to $18 per box. You always get this really nice constructed box that the products come in, and you get free international shipping. The box will always have 5 products with a worth of $70. This time we got an extra bonus. That's why we got 6, but there's normally always 5 with a guaranteed worth of over $70 every month, and you can cancel at any time. So again, that is everything that I have to show for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried any of their skincare. Would you like to? What did you like about the box? All of that. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew. out.